Hey, hi. My name is Vigneshwaran and I'm an English language trainer. This video is a part of a 2-minute series titled English through IPL Medium, where we learn English along with some cricket action. So, let's learn. Today we're going to learn a word, Carnage. We'll begin with the pronunciation part of it. Split that word into two parts. Carnage. Carnage. Give that a good try. Now, the meaning of this word carnage. The word carnage means killing thousands of people, especially in a battle. It's a brutal word. There is a reason for me to choose this word for today's session because we witnessed a carnage on and off cricket yesterday. I'll talk about the off-field carnage first. We are actually battling this COVID-19 and the second wave has hit us really hard. Yesterday we registered 3.5 lakh cases and almost 3,000 people lost their lives. So we are battling this COVID-19 and yesterday was a real carnage. We can get out of this COVID-19 provided we stay safe and healthy. Follow the protocols, stay home, stay safe. Because you are a valuable member of this community. Now, the on-field carnage. When someone scores 37 runs in 6 balls, in cricket, you call that a carnage. Yesterday, the match between Royal Challengers Bangalore and the Chennai Super Kings, Sir Ravindra Jadeja, he showed what a carnage is on a cricket field. He smashed 5 sixes and won 4 of the tournament's best bowler yesterday. Now the carnage continued with the ball in his hand, where he picked 3 wickets and effected a run out. That, he changed the game in a couple of overs and almost killed the opposition. Yes, so that I would say is a carnage in completion. So that is all about the word carnage. If you have learned that word today, go ahead, like this video. Stay home, stay safe, stay protected. Thank you very much.